Yes, we took. We had a choice between 3 streets, and we was thinking we take the shortest one. And since the sign Hidalgo is coming up, the roads are bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. We are somewhere in nowhere. These are the Grutas Tolantongo, the nice river with nice temperature water. We do stay here. Thomas is playing a little bit like a Mexican, loud music. No, I'm joking. Tomorrow we do go into the Grutas. These are the minerals in the water. Wow. Perfect. Such a gorgeous place. Mexican style of camping. A lot of grills, a lot of music, and rented tents. And the eyes of the tree. Next to the tree. Okay. We are back at our nice shady camping spot. Ouchie. New accident. New spot. When I stepped out of the truck, our Dubo, I slept down at the door, and it hurts a little bit, and now it gets swollen. But that's van life. By the way, I did some nice vegetarian frikadellen. I don't know how do you say in English. Frikadellen. And they already taste like this. Even when I finish this, I will show you how they looks, and I put on Facebook travel kitchen all my recipes if you are interested, and have a look there. Bye bye. We are back in the water. It's nice and warm. Thomas is floating until the next step of the river is coming. Yesterday we was 1 hour here in the water because the water is so nice. It's about, I guess, 35 to 36 Celsius. That's my husband. So after 2 days in Tolantongo, it was really lovely. We enjoy this place because it's really unique with the grotto and tunnels and swimming in the river. We are heading right now to Tula, direction Tula. I guess I'm still a little bit sleepy. And it's Friday, many people are coming, so don't go here on the weekends. Try to come here under the week. Adios. Mexican people are so friendly, most of them.